Using an innovative technique called desert soilization, a group of Chinese scientists have turned barren desert sands into productive, farmable land at an affordable cost in northwest China. In 2013, Professor Yi Zhijian and his team from Chongqing Jiaotong University patented the technique after years of research, giving sands the same properties as soil, with the same capacity to sustain water, air, and fertilizer. The first test plot was established in the Ulanbu Desert in Inner Mongolia, where the team found that it required less water but bore higher yields than untreated plots of land.
我背后的这片就是我们的荒漠生态区。17年播种种植，仅在播种种植之后，经历过几次灌溉，总灌溉量不超过50方。在此之后，不再人工干预，在自然降雨下自然生长。我们荒漠生态区的土壤质感，踩上去是实实的感觉，已经跟原始的沙漠区别非常明显。
Thereafter, this technology has also been applied in Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region. In the Taklamakan Desert, the largest desert in China and one of the driest regions in the world, about 10,000 mu of desert land has been turned arable, yielding alfalfa grass and other crops.
这是上次我们割的苜蓿，现在已经全部重新发起来了。大概再过1个月左右，我们又可以开始割第2茬苜蓿。在我们和田基地的话，至少能割3茬。